The future is now top 5 tech trends of 2024. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're kicking things off today with a look at the tech that's about to change, well, everything. We're talking more than just incremental upgrades here. These are the trends poised to reshape how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's dive into the top 5 tech trends you absolutely need on your radar in 2024. AI, it's not sci-fi anymore. First up, we've got AI, and I know what you're thinking. We've been hearing about AI forever. But trust me, this year feels different. We're not just talking about smarter algorithms here, we're talking about real, tangible applications. Think personalized medicine with AI analyzing your medical history to tailor treatments, or financial algorithms making scarily accurate predictions. We're even seeing AI seep into creative fields, with algorithms composing music and generating art. This is just the tip of the iceberg, people. As AI continues to learn and evolve, its impact on our lives will only become more profound. This is one to watch for sure. 5G, the hyperspeed revolution. Next up is 5G, and let me tell you, this isn't just about faster download speeds on your phone, though that's definitely a perk. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we connect to the world. Imagine a world with real-time, lag-free gaming on the go, or remote surgery performed with pinpoint accuracy from miles away. That's the promise of 5G, a hyper-connected world with virtually limitless possibilities. And as we build out the infrastructure for 5G, it's going to pave the way for even more groundbreaking technologies down the line. This is connectivity like we've never seen before. Chapter 3, IoT, the Internet of Almost Everything. Now let's talk about the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. Remember when the Internet of Things basically meant your laptop and phone? Those days are long gone. We're talking about a world where everything from your refrigerator to your car is connected to the internet, sharing data and, in a way, talking to each other. This means smarter homes that anticipate your needs, cities that can optimize traffic flow in real time, and even factories that can predict and prevent equipment failures before they happen. It's a future where convenience and efficiency are taken to a whole new level. But of course, with great connectivity comes great responsibility when it comes to data privacy and security. Chapter 4, Blockchain, Beyond the Bitcoin Buzz. Okay, it's time to address the elephant in the room, blockchain. Yeah, we know it's the tech behind Bitcoin and all those other cryptocurrencies. But here's the thing, blockchain's potential extends far beyond the realm of digital currency. We're talking about a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof way to track anything of value. Imagine supply chains where you can trace the origin of your food back to the farm it came from, or online voting systems that are virtually impossible to rig. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize industries from finance and healthcare to government and beyond. It's about building trust and transparency into systems that desperately need it. Chapter 5, VR Reality Remixed. Finally, we've got augmented reality and virtual reality, or AR and VR for short. And let me tell you, this isn't just about fancy headsets and immersive gaming experiences, though those are definitely getting more impressive by the day. We're talking about blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. Imagine surgeons using AR to overlay critical patient information during surgery, or architects using VR to walk clients through virtual buildings before a single brick is laid. AR and VR have the potential to transform how we learn, how we work, and how we experience the world around us. It's time to get excited about the possibilities of a mixed reality future. So, there you have it, our picks for the top 5 tech trends that are going to be huge in 2024. From the AI revolution to the rise of mixed reality, the future of tech is looking pretty incredible. And we can't wait to see how these trends unfold. What do you think about these groundbreaking technologies? Which trend has you most excited? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on all things tech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech.